Hey, so if you're completely new to Webflow and you don't know where to start, yeah, this video is for you. I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can build your first website without feeling lost. All right, first things first, go to your Webflow dashboard and click Create New Site. You can either start from a template or choose a blank site. If you're a beginner, templates are actually a great starting point. Now you'll enter the Webflow Designer. Don't worry, it looks complex, but it's just your visual editing workspace. On the left, you have elements, on the right, you have styling, and in the middle, you build your site visually. Let's start building. Click the Add panel and drag in a section. Inside that section, add a container, and then add a heading or text block. Now click on your elements and start styling them from the right panel. You can change font size, colors, spacing, and alignment to match your design. Next, let's add a navigation bar so users can move between pages. Just drag in a navbar component, and Webflow will automatically create links like Home, About, and Contact. Now go to the Pages panel and add new pages like About or Contact. Each page can be designed separately, just like your home page. All right, once you're done, click Publish. Webflow will give you a live link so you can actually see your website online. And that's your first Webflow website built from scratch. Yeah, pretty simple once you get started. If this helped, keep practicing and try adding your own pages and sections next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.